Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making a recipe called country meatloaf. This is a recipe from Shakertown, which was a village where Shakers lived in Pleasant Hill, Kentucky in the 1800s. It is now a historical site and the largest national historic landmark in the state of Kentucky. It is called the Shaker Village of Pleasant Hill. This recipe dates back to the 1800s, so it's over 100 years old. It's an interesting recipe because it uses oatmeal instead of breadcrumbs or sliced bread. So if you don't have any bread, or if you only have a little bit of bread and you're saving it for sandwiches, this is a good recipe. The oatmeal helps to stretch the meat and make the meatloaf soft and moist. You can use any kind of ground beef that you like or that you have. The ingredients are 1.25 pounds of turkey chopped meat, 1 egg lightly beaten, 1/2 cup of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of diced celery, 2 tablespoons of diced green pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 cup of tomato juice, 3/4 cup of uncooked oatmeal. Now if you hear a background noise, I'm heating my oven to 350 degrees. So now the first thing we have to do with a fork is put in the beaten egg, the onion, the celery, the peppers, and the black pepper. And then I have to mix it lightly with the fork. Just lightly stir it all together. Grandpa and I only eat beef twice a year, so the rest of the time we use turkey chopped meat. Grandpa and I don't cook with salt, but if you want to put salt in this recipe, it's 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay, that's done. I said lightly, so now I'm going to add in my tomato juice, and my oatmeal. So this is a nice, simple recipe also. Very easy to make. I have the meatloaf all ready. It's been mixed well. So now I'm going to put it in my foil-lined pan to bake. And as you can see, it's a loose meatloaf, I think due to probably the tomato sauce. So now I'll put it in the pan and just give it a shaping. And hopefully it holds its shape. I'll be back in an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half baking and the meatloaf is all done. It's perfect. It didn't lose its shape. And it looks very good, so I'm very happy how it came out. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good, Ma. You can taste it's very moist. I can taste the peppers in it. Let's see what else I can taste. You wouldn't know there was oatmeal in this meatloaf. One thing, you don't have to have ketchup because the flavor, the tomato juice is in there.
So could you taste the tomato juice?
Yes, you can taste the tomato juice. Came out very good.
I'll have to definitely be making this meatloaf again.
Those people 100 years ago knew how to make a meatloaf.
Yeah, they sure did.